Sorry to everyone. Today we are gonna practice for National Level Science Talented Search Examination for Grade 3. The fractions of the pencils without the circles on them is, first we need to find out how many pencils are there. Then we'll count how many pencils are there without dots on them. And without dots on them, and then how many there are without dots will be numerator, and how many there are in all will be denominator.
So total number of pencils are denominator and the number of pencils we are looking for will be in numerator.
Yep, that's correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So denominator is 9.
Yep, and then now we count this. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Numerator is 4.
Yep. So 4 and 9. Denominator always should be bigger. Which of the following is the area of the given figure? If area of
one green square
is equal to 1 square unit, how many squares are there? So we just need to count how many squares are there. You can try multiplication in this trick if you want. 1, 2, 3, 2 times 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 into 5, 15 plus 6. And 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. So there are 21 square units, or you can just count them. Madhav, Yusha and Carmen shared a box of sweets. The box contained 14 sweets. If the friends shared equally, there were sweets left in the box.
Madhav, Usha and Kareem shared a box of sweets. The box contained total of 14 sweets. If the friends shared the sweets equally, there were dash sweets or sweet left in the box.
Yep. So
basically we have to divide 14 by?
We have to divide 14 by
3 because there are 3 persons.
Yep.
And how many sweets will be left in the box? That will be the
answer.
Remainder.
Sorry.
If we do the long division of 14, we divide 14 by 3. Whatever is the remainder?
So we can do long division also. Okay. So 14 divided by 3. First, let's find out what can 3 reach to. Then so that is the closest to 14. And it should be smaller than 14. 3, 6, 12. That's all we can go till. Then so 12, then 2 will be the remainder because 12 minus 14 is 2.
14 minus 12 is 2.
Yeah, 14 minus 12 is 2. You can't subtract a smaller number with the bigger number. Hurry. 2 sweets. The first clock shows the time when Ram went outside, and the second clock shows the time when he came back the same day, so he stayed outside for hours and minutes.
So basically you have to subtract this from this.
Yeah, we have to see what's the elapsed time. So first it was
11:30.
This is the smaller hand and this is the bigger hand. Bigger hand always means minute and smaller hand always means hour. Don't get confused and say bigger hand means hours and smaller hand means minutes. So this is, it's kind of to 11, so it's 11 hours. And 6 into 5 you have to do 40 minutes. You have to multiply it with all the numbers. You have to multiply it with 5. So 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So it's 11:30. Now let's see this time. It is 3:12, 3:20, 11:30 till 3:12,
3:20.
3:20. So
maybe you can round off. First you figure out the time from 11:30 to 3:30. How many hours are there?
11:30 to 3:30. That was, so you can 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours.
But this is 10 minutes less than the 3:30.
Yep.
So you will subtract 10 minutes from 4 hours. So that will be
4 hours minus 10 minutes is equal to 3 hours and 50 minutes.
Exactly.
So it will be 3 hours and 50 minutes. Yay! A panda jumps 2 steps at a time. A bear jumps 14 steps at a time. One jump of a bear is equal to, a bear jumps 14 steps at a time. A panda jumps 2 steps at a time. One jump of a bear is equal to, it's equal to 7. Because you have to do this time 14 divided by 2. Because two jump steps at a time, and a bear jumps 14 steps at a time, and then the panda steps are bigger, and then so 2 divided by 14. Great. The given shape has how many corners? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 corners in all. Wait.
these are also corners.
Oh, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 8 again. That will become 16. Better take track of this.
So these outside pointing things are also corner, and inside pointing things. Anywhere a line takes turn is a corner. Okay?
Yep. Step 1. A corner is meeting a point of corner. Okay, we got it, right? Choose the combination of breakers from the from the options in the image that can be filled with water in the bucket. So there is 750 milliliters, 400 milliliters plus 300 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 500 milliliters plus 200 milliliters plus 50 milliliters that can't fill the bucket because it will flood then. This will only be 750 meters of bucket. So this is wrong. This is equal to...
No, those are the options. You have to choose one of them here. Which one is correct?
I know. It is this one.
Because 400 plus 300 plus 50 will make 750. Rest other combinations are not making 750.
Yeah, but let's check them once. 200 plus 300 is equal to 500 plus 50 is equal to 550. That is not 750. 400 plus 300 plus 200 is equal to 900. That's bigger than 750. 400 plus 200 is 600 plus 50, that is 650, that is 100 milliliters less. Terrific. Write the greatest odd number from the binary digits 8, 5 and 9. So I can say 9 will be at the first because it's the biggest and it should be really big. Then 8 will come in the middle, then 5, and it's still a odd number. Any bigger number? Right? You can, if you put 8, 5 and 8, 9 and 5, 900 is bigger than 800. If you put 5, 8 and 9, 8, 5, 100 is smaller than both the types of numbers. And if you put, so it should be 985. The other options might be correct, but no, they're not correct. So, ready for next step. Tarman can type 15 words per minute. If he has to type a story of 90 words, then he will take, so 15, that is 15 into what equals to 90. So you can add, skip count on the number line, you can multiply it,
or you can divide 90 by 15.
Yeah, but let's this time do, this time I will try multiplication if you're okay. 15, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. So it's 6. It'll take then. That means it will take him 6 minutes to type the story. Great, we are done. Well done. Sunil buys patties for each student in his class for a class party. Each patty costs 30.50. That means 30 rupees point 50 paisa. However, there is a discount where each batch of 5 patties only costs 150 rupees. He buys 33 patties and the money he paid was for 33 patties. It is rupees.
So basically, first for every 5 patties, he has to pay 150 rupees. Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll see how many he can buy till 33. So till 30 patties he can buy in a group of 5. 5 and 5, 5 to 10, 5 to 15, 5 to 20, 5 to 25, 5 6 to 30. So he can buy 6 groups of 5 patty, which will make 30 patties. Okay, so basically how much it will be? 6 into 150.
So 6 into 150, you can do anything you want. So you can divide it, or you can see whatever. So multiply it. So 6 into 100 equals to 600, and 6 into 50 is equal to
150 into 6.
Yeah. So you can
15, 30.
first do 0 into 6, that equals to 6. Then 5 into 6, that equals to 30. You have to keep the 0 down and bring the 3 up. I mean the 3 down. Oh, 0 down and 3 up.
3 carry over.
And then 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 6 is 3 plus 1 is 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So it's 2406. No, sorry.
See, 6 into 0 is 0. 6 5s are 30. 30, 0, 3 carry. 6 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 900, okay? It's 900 for 30 patties. And for 3 more patties, how much it will be? 30.5
30.50
plus 30.50 plus 30.50.
That means 30.50 into 3.
So 30 rupees 3 times is?
30 rupees 3 times is equal to 90 rupees. And 50 paisa into 3 times is equal to
1 rupees 50 paisa.
1 rupees 50 paisa.
Okay.
So 90 plus 1 rupees, 91 rupees plus 50 paisa. So 91.50. That is the answer.
And how much was this thing? 900 was for 30 patties.
Yeah.
So the total money he is going to give is 991.50 paisa.
And we need to find the rupees. We just need to find the rupees.
No, you will give total rupees 991.50.
Alright, 991.50. Excellent. The tally chart shows the items sold during the weekend using the information from the tally chart to answer the question. Fried rice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fried rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. As we know,
the tally chart shows the items sold during the weekend. Information from the tally chart to answer the questions. Okay, fine. What's the question?
Wait, let's find out how many are there first. 5 plus 5 plus that is equal to 10 plus 4, 14. 5 plus 5 plus 5.
You can see this pizza is more now. Why do you need to count? It's obvious that pizza is more.
Which item was sold the maximum?
You can see the pizza was sold maximum. There's no need to count.
Number of fried rice sold in all, as we counted, it is 12. Find the difference in the place values of 2 trees and the number 537.
What is the place value of first 3 if you go by right?
By right, if you go, the first 3 is 30.
Okay. What is the place value of second 3?
That is 300.
300. What's the difference between 2?
So it's 300 minus 30 is equal to 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 0 can't minus from 3, it will carry over. That will become to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. And 3 becomes to 2 because it carry over. And 2 will come down. So it's 270. Sana, divides the given figure into two parts from point P to point Q. What are the two shapes that she will have? Diagram divides the given figure into 2 points from point P to point Q. What are the two shapes that she will have? A rectangle and a triangle. Okay. Find the sum of all the even numbers between 43 and 64. So it'll be 44, 44, 46, 48, 48, 50, 52, 52, 50, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64. Fine. So
there is another way to find it out.
now we should minus them.
No.
We should add.
Find the sum of all even numbers between these two.
First,
so either you can just add it.
First, let's add the tens, then the ones.
You always add ones first.
First, let's add the ones, then the tens. Sorry. 4 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. 26 plus 0 is 26. 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. 32 plus 6 is equal to 38. 38 plus 8 is equal
46.
46.
So 6 and 4 carry over.
Yeah, 6 and 4.
10.
6 stays down and 4 is carried over.
10.
10.
16.
Wait, 4 plus 6 is 4 plus 6 is 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 plus 5 is 28 plus 5 is equal to 33. 33 plus 5 is equal to 33 plus 5 is equal to 38. 38 plus 5 is 38 plus 5 43 and 43 plus 5 48 plus 6 54. So 546. That is right over.
Okay, just choose some answer and they'll show the explanation. Okay.
Why? Let's choose the closest.
Let's see what is the step-by-step solution. The first even number that is greater than 43 and the first even number that is smaller than 64 are 44 and 62. Okay. So basically you have to start the boundary 44 and 62. So you add both of them. उनका आंसर क्या है 106. Okay. Now we have to find the sum of the above pair. Okay. So basically we pair and each pair has the sum 106. And we'll find out total number of pairs. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop here. Okay.
We got smart score as 200. Thank you.